What are you doing?
It's division, and the question is right here, and it's
Right.
10 divided by 7.
Well, say it back. What you said backwards. Do
7,785 divided by 10. And
there's a trick, right?
yeah, there's a trick. It's basically your answer already. It's just bring your decimal here, and then you already got your answer.
So it's kind of the opposite of multiplying by 10. If you multiplied by 10, what would you do? You would add what?
You would add a 0.
To the end, right?
Yep.
Okay. And so instead of moving your decimal to the right one time by adding a 0, when you're dividing by 10, you move your decimal to the left. Nice. This is number 2, right?
Mm-hmm.
Let's start it again. Here's the answer.
Yeah.
Let's erase it and do it again.
Oopsies. I'll just rewrite it.
Okay, so this is...
7 divided by 9,000.
Read. You actually read backwards. 9,807.
9,807 divided by 7.
Okay, so start going.
So how many times does 7 go into 1? How many times does 7 go into 9? Once. So now 7 times 1 9. Then 9.
7 times 1 is 7.
Yeah. And then minus 7. 9 times 7 is 2.
9 minus 7 is 2.
And then
And when you do next, that people always forget.
I forgot.
You have to bring this number down.
Oh yeah, bring 8 down. And that's 28. How many times does 7 go into 28?
Right.
4. Bring 4 right here. Then 7 times 4
Right.
is 28. And then a 0.
So you subtracted that, right?
Yeah.
Then what's the next number that comes down?
A 0.
So how many times does 7 go into 0?
0.
Okay. So you can put the 0 at the top.
And then
how many times does 7 go into 7?
once.
Yeah. So and now you know you're done, don't you?
Yep.
Okay, Maya, do you have yours? Okay, I'll help you. Okay. It's 1,365 divided by 5. Well, this is a good one. So what do you do first?
You see how many times 5 can go to 1, which is 9. So you see how many times 5 can go to 13.
Right. So what's the answer?
5 times 2.
Right.
Minus 10.
Okay.
5 can't go into 3, so you bring down the 6. And 5 times 6 is...
5 times... Don't do 5 times 6. Do 5 times 7.
Right, so 5 times 7 is 35.
Right, so put your 7 right there.
Yeah.
There you go.
And hit 1.
I'll bring down your... What's the last thing
You
you
bring
had?
down your 5. And 5 goes into 15 3 times. So.
You're done. Here's another one.
I can explain it verbally, but I don't know how to write what I did down.
Okay, write the problem so that we can read it, okay, as clearly and as neatly as you can, okay? Well, can you draw the little box? 52. Okay. How many times does 5 go into 5?
1.
So put a 1 there. Do 1 times 5 and then put it there. That's 1 times 5. 1 times 5. Okay, but you just write 5 here. Remember, does this put a 5 there. Subtract these two 5s.
What?
5 minus 5 is what? Bring down this 2. Okay. How many times does 5 go into 2? Can 5 go into
No.
2? Not at all. So 0 goes there. 0 times 5 is what?
0.
Put a 0 here. Now subtract 2 minus 0. So what's the answer? 10. 10, and it has something at the end of it. What is it?
2.
You're going to say 10 and 2? What are you going to say? What's the word you use when we have something left over?
As a remainder of 2?
Yep, 10 remainder 2.
I did it a different way.
Okay, you can't just put 2. That looks like 102. Put a little r. Okay, there you go. Okay, Which one are you trying to do, Mason, and I'll help you?
6.
Okay, let's leave ourselves lots of room. Right across the top here. 6, do 21 into, what is it, $35.80. So if you do 35.80. I added a 0 because when you think about money, it makes it a little bit easier. Okay, that looks like a 6. Make it a 5. And put a decimal in it. Okay, how many times does 21 go into 35?
1.
Okay, so put a 1 above the 35 on top of the box. Nope, not there. That's a 1 above the 3. Put a 1 above the 35.
Here?
Yep. Now, what's 1 times 21?
21.
So put 21 right here. Okay, we're going to subtract that. Draw a line, subtract it. Okay, put a subtraction line so someone knows what you did. Okay, now what's the thing that you do now? Does anybody remember what you do now?
Bring down the 8.
Bring down the 8. Nice job. Okay, 21 into 148. Let's start taking some guesses. What can it be?
4.
4 will give you 84, so we got to keep going bigger.
6.
6 is 126.
8.
8 gives you 168.
7.
7 will give you 147. Good job. So it's 7. So put your decimal right here and put a 7. 7 times 21 is 147.
Okay.
147 and 148. Okay.
So,
It's 1. Oh, we're subtracting. Okay. So now we can bring down the 0. How many times is 0? Oh, 21 going to bring down the 0. Mason, does this look familiar?
no, right there. No.
Well, it looks familiar in the veil. Okay, does 21 go into 10?
Yeah. No.
Nope. So put a 0 there, over there at the top. Here. Okay, and we're just going to say it's a remainder of 1. You got it?
Yeah.